Hello students, welcome to Chemistry World. Today we are going to discuss about the isomerism. Okay, in this one, isomerism is nothing but iso and meros. Here, iso is nothing but equal and meros means parts. Isomerism is nothing but it is the meaning of equal parts, and this isomerism, this word is coined from the Greek words. Okay, one is iso and another one is the meros. In this one, we are using this isomerism frequently in the organic chemistry. Definition for isomerism is nothing but two or more compounds having the same molecular formula but differ in their physical and chemical properties. Such type of compounds are called as isomers, and the phenomena is called as isomerism. Nothing but here the compounds having similar formula but differ in their physical chemical properties, that is the isomers. Okay, isomerism that is classified into two types majorly, that is one is constitutional isomerism, second one is the stereoisomerism. This constitutional isomerism is nothing but structural isomerism. In this one, the compounds having the same molecular formula but they are differ in their arrangement of the atoms, that is different within the molecule, that is the constitutional isomerism or structural isomerism. Coming to stereoisomerism, in this one, compounds having the same molecular formula but the arrangement of the atoms or groups, that is differ in the space. Nothing but here we are considering the three-dimensional space in stereoisomerism, and the phenomenon is called as stereoisomerism, and the isomers which are present in this stereoisomerism is called as stereoisomers. Okay, this is the constitutional isomerism and this one is the stereoisomerism. The compounds having the same molecular formula but differ in the arrangement of atoms within the molecule, and the compounds are called as structural isomers. Okay, and the phenomenon is called as structural isomerism. Coming to this stereoisomerism, in this one the compounds are called as stereoisomers, and the phenomenon is called as stereoisomerism. These are the two major isomerisms in the isomerism. Okay, one is constitutional, another one is the stereoisomerism. Another name of the constitutional isomerism is structural isomerism. Isomerism is classified into two types. One is structural isomerism or constitutional isomerism. Second one is the stereoisomerism. Again, this structural isomerism that is classified into chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism, metamerism and tautomerism. Coming to stereoisomerism, again this is classified into two types. One is configurational stereoisomerism and conformational stereoisomerism. This configurational stereoisomerism, it is classified into geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Thank you students. If you like my video, please like, share and comment, and subscribe to my channel, that is Chemistry World.